Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dania and for today's video we're going to be playing with the Morphe X James Charles palette. This one I got it, I think it was on the next launch in Ulta. So yeah, if you guys want to recreate the look and want to see how we did it, just keep on watching. Hello everyone, so as you saw on the intro, we will be playing with the James Charles palette. This I got it, I think it was on the second launch. It did on Ulta, I think so. So while I'm baking, I already have my brows, I already primed my lids, and let's take it out of the package. The palette itself is this one right here. I think you've already seen many reviews before this one. So I'm gonna be taking code James, which is this brown right here, and I'm gonna apply it as a transition shade. Then with a more detailed brush, this is the AOA Studio E128. It's just like a more detailed brush. I'm going to take the shade 518 and try to apply it right on underneath of the one that I just did. And you know what, never mind. I'm gonna take these Morphe M514 and take the same shade. Then I'm going to take this NYX number 12 brush, and I'm going to be taking the color, the yellow one, which is I think B, and see how that works. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade You're Kidding with the same Morphe M514. Tap off the excess. Again, I'm going to go back to the NYX number 12 brush and go back with the yellow, the color B. And I'm going to take a fluffier brush, which is this Sonia Kashuk taper blending. And I'm going to go back to that color You're Kidding. Once we have something like this, I will go ahead and take some of the Shape Tape by Tarte just to kind of define the crease a little bit. With the shade of this one, it's called Wig, And I'm gonna apply that with my finger. There we go. We're gonna go back to the Anya Casherick brush and take a little bit of the You're Kidding red, just to make sure those two colors are well blended. I'm just gonna go a little bit over here because I'm gonna be applying a liner, a metal liner, and that's gonna be the e.l.f. Shimmering Gold, which is at this one. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, and for the lower lash line, I already applied a little bit of the yellow color B. And now I'm gonna go on top of it with the color You're Kidding. And I'm gonna go back to the B color and just hit the inner corner. I'm gonna put the lashes and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So here would be the finished product. I applied the lashes. For lashes, I'm using the Kiss in the style corset. These are very pretty. They have like, it has a very weird shape. I applied some of the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color white, and yeah, this is how everything turned out. This eye, this one, I had a little bit of problem trying to blend it in, but I think everything turned out just nice. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think about this eye look. I will definitely keep playing with the palette. I like the pigments. It's not very pigmented, which is not what I expected. I expected it to be super hyper pigmented, but it wasn't, which is good because you don't mess up the eyeshadow pretty quick. You can just build it up, and I'm happy overall with this, with the results of this tutorial. I finished the rest of the face. I will be leaving all the products that I used linked on the description box down below. Again, my name is Dania. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. You can also find me on Instagram at livemakeuptalk, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Hold me close till I get out.